The Saskatchewan Association of Automotive Repairers, better known as SAAR, hosted its Spring-ish conference last weekend on February 10th and 11th. Held downtown Moose Jaw at the Temple Gardens Hotel and Spa, attendees were blessed with relatively warm weather for Saskatchewan in February, up to 4 degrees Celsius, in fact. The festivities first kicked off on Friday afternoon with a PDR presentation delivered by SGI's Braden McKay and Troy Kolish. The pair discussed the incoming changes to paintless dent repair claims via the PDR matrix. They covered the application process details for collision centers, as well as pain points noted by the industry and current processes. The SAAR group was up bright and early on Saturday morning as keynote speaker Jolene Watson took the stage for her talk at 8 a.m. An expert in networking and client relations, Watson educated the crowd on the best ways to be remembered by clients and how to foster results-driving relationships with your partners. SAAR conducted its AGM and elections next, where Brian Lear of Bennett Ford thanked the departing board members, Terry Beattie, Bree Campbell, Kim Kos, Brian Neufeld, Shane of Cavia Auto Body, Harv Britton, Tom Parnell, Braden Hero, Greg Smith, Merlin Thomas, and Brian Lear. Sharon Ashley and Carrie Barton of Body Shop Connect took to the stage next to discuss all the exciting features of the Body Shop Connect platform, including Parts Connect, which allows for easy status checks on all your parts. Craig Alvaro of 3M was next to discuss the exciting and recently launched Repair Stack platform. The SGI team spoke just before lunch to deliver a claims overview for the previous year. The public insurer also noted its marked improvement in body shop relations, as seen by its #1 ranked spot on Collision Repair Mag's 2022 Insurer Report Card. More speakers followed after lunch, including Darren Gasper, the superintendent of Saskatchewan's SunWest School Division, who discussed training programs to foster the industry, Paul Carter of the Canadian Federation of Independent Business, who spoke on the benefits of becoming a member, and Christy Hall, who informed the audience of the different traits of the 4 generations currently working in the industry: Baby Boomers, Gen X, Millennials, and Gen Z. Saskatchewan Polytechnic's Scott Kuchashiran was up next. He delivered an update on apprenticeship levels and general interest in auto body in Saskatchewan. The presentation spurred much discussion about generating interest in younger generations regarding work in the collision sector. The ARA of BC and ATA of Manitoba delivered their respective updates before the final presentation of the day, where Don Pagoda, formerly of Par Auto Body, interviewed Raj Kavia, who owned and operated Kavia Auto Body in Saskatoon. Kavia treated the audience to his inspiring life story to round off the speaker portion of the day. Brett McNeil and Tom Bissonette raffled off the grand prize, a Festool dust extractor. A dinner, with drinks sponsored by BASF, closed out the meeting. This is Allison Rogers for Collision Repair Magazine.